Hi, everyone. This is Tamika, and I am so excited. I am offering my next master class called Unlock Your Five-Figure Income, Get Out of Survival Mode, and Into Financial Security for conscious coaches, healers, spiritual teachers, and conscious wealth creators. I am so excited because this program is specifically for people who have been, on this path for a while. You have a desire, a deep desire to reach a financial goal. You're ambitious. You've taken all of the marketing classes, you've taken the sales classes, you've taken the business building classes, you've taken the money classes, different classes over the years so that you can increase your finances and reach the goal that you know that you deserve. So in this masterclass, I am going to be talking about different strategies and tools to help you clear those inner blocks that have been affecting you actually doing the steps that it takes to build your business, to clear the inner blocks that is affecting you for asking for the money that you want and that you deserve, clearing the inner blocks that has been affecting you, taking massive action so you can actually manifest those goals that you have in your life. So if this resonates, if this sounds like this is what you're looking for, that you can learn, like, what are the blocks that have been holding you back so that you can actually capitalize on all of that investment that you made in yourself, that you promised. You said, this time it's going to happen, I'm going to make it work. Now, with the tools and the strategies that I'll be talking about in this masterclass, you'll be able to take constant and consistent steps to manifesting your financial goals. All right, see you there. Join me. Click the link below. Register for the masterclass. Unlock your five-figure income. Get out of survival mode and into financial security as a coach, as a conscious coach, healer, spiritual teacher, conscious wealth creator. Look forward to seeing you.